So when we look at diet, it's not as simple to just look at caloric restriction. We have to look at the type of food that we're eating. They tell us a ton about nutritional biochemistry, and that's what we're really talking about today. This is not dieting. This is nutritional biochemistry. So number one, avoiding diabetes and metabolic dysfunction, especially by eliminating or reducing junk food, is very important to your longevity. Less crap, live longer. Number two, there appears to be a strong link between calories and cancer. Now that makes sense when we talked about the mitochondria in the future of medicine. Remember, with the mitochondria, you have an input, which is fuel, blood sugar or fatty acids. Input in, and we then will produce energy out. But if we're not able to burn enough energy, or if we increase this side of the equation and bring too much food in, we can't produce enough energy to use that, so we get more free radical production. Either way, if we don't move enough or if we eat too much, we get a constant high production of free radical in our bodies, which leads to massive inflammation in our body and, in the end, more cancers. Number three, the quality of the food you eat could be equally as important as the quantity. So if you're eating the standard American diet, then you should start eating a lot less of it. Number four, if your diet is high quality to begin with and you're metabolically healthy, then only a slight degree of caloric restriction or simply not eating in excess can still be beneficial. So you don't have to get crazy if you're already eating high amounts of food, quality food, and you're metabolically healthy, meaning you don't have diabetes, prediabetes, you don't have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, you don't have any type of peripheral vascular disease, no fatty liver disease, and your abdominal fat's in check. Those are all symptoms of metabolic dysfunction. So if you don't have any of those and you're eating high quality foods, you don't have to get too crazy with your caloric restriction. That if you are eating a higher quality diet and are metabolically healthy to begin with, then severe caloric restriction isn't really necessary. As individuals get older, caloric restriction might do more harm than good. So it really has to come down to the person and looking at it as an individual, not as a whole. But if you are metabolically healthy and not overnourished, then avoiding a lot of the crap that's in our diet may be all you need to do.